What's up everyone and welcome back to the Housecall Pro channel. This is a complete tutorial for the Housecall Pro mobile app. I've got it up on my phone, here it is. There's some really cool stuff I want to show you and I'm not going to waste any of your time, so let's jump right in. When you open Housecall Pro on your phone, you land on the dashboard. On this page are need attention alerts. If I click it, you get this one, which is an alert for an unpaid lighting installation. Below that are your clock in and clock out button, that's the same button, and your time card. To start your time, you click the clock in button, it starts to count, you do your work, you clock it again, and it ends. We did a whole video about time tracking in Housecall Pro, click the link in the upper right, but if you want to see your time card, you click that, you can see everything you've done. Next, below that are your open work and upcoming jobs, which we're going to dig into in a second. Below that is a button for your invoices. Now this is going to allow you to see everything that's open and paid. Below that is a button for jobs with this neat little graph, shows our jobs over time, which if we click pulls up a full jobs list. Below that, your estimates. I have a 0% win rate, it's pretty bad, which if we open allows us to make an estimate right from the app. By clicking the plus button in the upper right, we can start to fill out our info for our customer. There's also this button for leads, so new customers. Right below this, you're going to fill it out the same way. And lastly, there's this little green button that allows you to create new jobs, invoices, referrals, and most of the stuff you're going to need to make on the fly while you're in the field. And at the very bottom is the navigation bar. It's going to give you instant access to your schedule, your inbox, and your customer list from anywhere in the app. And lastly, if you click the three bars in the top left, you can reach everything else, the My Money tab, the price book, etc. Now, if we go back to the schedule, this is a list of every current, future, and past job. If you scroll up, you can see that, when it is, which tech is assigned, and whether it has been paid by your customer. Now we can click into the job and you're going to have a very familiar view. Same thing as the desktop app. You can do almost everything here that you would do on a computer. You get customer info. You see what you're doing, what you need to do. You can take pictures right from the app, do tagging and segmenting, and every change you make on your phone is going to show up for everyone in the business. You learn the customer has a baby, so try to keep the noise down, right? Now everyone on your team knows this without a single call or text. Back on the top, now this is pretty insane. It's literally my favorite feature. If you click on the picture at the top, you instantly get the Google Street View of the customer's property right inside the app. So let's say the house is like deep in the back of some neighborhood or cul-de-sac, and you need a landmark, something to tell you where you are. Right here, you've got it. Now this is cool, but here's the number one thing you should do, and get your text to do as well, because customers love it. It's the on my way text. When you're headed to a job, you tap on my way inside the app. The customer gets an automatic text, so no manual texting, no calling ahead, one tap and it's done. And we found that this small touch point, it sets a professional tone. Before you ever knock on the door, it builds trust and confidence, and it's gonna win you more jobs. Let's keep going. Now we're gonna dive into the mobile camera from the app. Just click this button under attachments, use our camera to capture photos, you click it. You're gonna click allow and then allow again. You can trust us. Now, once you're in, you can take a photo of whatever you need. So this is me taking a picture of an AC unit as if we were installing it, right? Once that's taken, you can click this little white box. And now you can edit the photo using the buttons on the right, like a drawing, which is the most useful thing. If you want to add text, you can add text. You can add a timestamp by clicking the last little clock button. Now it shows up in the bottom right. Instead of taking photos with your personal camera and then trying to sort them out later, you take the photos right in the app. They're saved instantly to the job record and available for the next visit, and everybody on your team can see them. This app also changes the way you close jobs in the field. Instead of going home at the end of the day to write up quotes, you build the estimate right from the app while you're still at the customer's house. We're back on the screen with your job. Right below attachments is estimates. You're gonna click that. Now go through this, add a few line items, add the tech, and then when you're done, you click the check mark in the upper right, and it's made. If you wanna add a second option, which we're going to do, you click the three dots in the upper right, click add new option, and then go through the same process as before, add the right services and materials. And now when you go back to the estimate, if you click present, you get this little, it's so good. You get this slideshow that you can show your customer, right? You can add in the names and the text like I did here, super quick. But if the customer is ready to move forward on site, you're going to go back and you're going to click approve. They're going to sign directly on your phone screen. This looks so professional, it's so good. Their signature is captured, the estimate is approved, the job's ready to schedule, and you haven't even left the driveway, so you don't forget paperwork, you don't have to wait to do it until tonight when they can change their mind. You're ready to go. Once the work is done, getting paid is also really fast. If we click finish the job, which means we're done, we will see a payment due button appear. Now, if we scroll up to the top, we can now do a few things. We can click invoice. If we click it, you get this very professional doc with email copy ready inside of it. This is ready to send, right? We can check if it's correct, but let's say we don't want to do this and we just want to pay. We're going to go back. We're going to click pay. Now make sure the amount is correct so that we're not under or overcharging them. Now the Housecall Pro mobile app lets you collect payment in a bunch of different ways. We have cash and check, but if you add your payment method, you can do a bunch of different things. You can scan the customer's credit card, or you can use a Bluetooth card reader for a tap and swipe. You can order this from the desktop app in the My Money section. Makes you look very professional. And if you also have InstaPay, the Housecall Pro offers, you can choose to have these funds deposited directly into your account in minutes, which is amazing for cash flow. Now here's a couple of macro big picture things about the mobile app. Let's say a member of your crew prefers Spanish. Housecall Pro is going to offer full Spanish language support. Now it should match your phone's native language. Like if you're already in Spanish, for every other app, it will also display in Spanish. But let's say you didn't. You're going to go to the app, click the 3 bars in the top left, and then click Preferences. Now inside there is app language. If we click it, it's going to ask us to open our app settings. We can click Español, and if we go back, everything should be in Spanish. And that means every tech on your crew can navigate the app seamlessly. Here's one last thing. Service calls can take it into basements, into crawl spaces, remote backwoods, where cell reception disappears, right? The Housecall Pro mobile app caches your schedule and job details for the day. If you opened up a job and you click into it, it's going to be available no matter what's going on with your internet. And the moment you step back into range, everything you've added syncs back automatically into the app. So no lost notes and you don't have to re-enter the data. And I hope that the app helps you run your business more smoothly. If this video is even remotely helpful, please drop a like. It tells us that you want more content like this, or subscribe and turn on notifications to see the next one when it drops. And seriously, thank you for watching and good luck.